children, today we will read another chapter of the book Marigold for class 3. And today's chapter is Sea Song from Unit 4. Dear children, this poem is about seashell. You know what the seashell is? Seashell, in Hindi it is called sea. Usually you found seashell on the shore of a sea, on a beach actually. When you visit any seashore or a beach, you find seashell, right? Now the poem Sea Song. I found a shell, a curly one, lying on the sand. I picked it up and took it home, cold inside my hand. इस पोयम में एक बॉय है और वो क्या कह रहा है कि मैंने एक शेल पाया, अ करली वन, जो करली था. करली क्या? घुंघराला सा. व्हेन यू फाइंड सी शेल like a shank, it is sometimes curly, isn't it? So the boy in this poem found that shell lying on the sand, जो कि बालू पर पड़ा हुआ था. I picked it up and took it home, hold inside my hand. बच्चा क्या कह रहा है कि मैंने इसे उठाया और घर ले आया, कोल्ड इनसाइड माई हैंड, और जो मेरे हाथ में ठंडा लग रहा था. मम्मी लुक्ड एट इट एंड देन शी हेल्ड इट टू माई ईयर. मम्मी ने इसकी तरफ देखा और इसको मेरे कान के पास रखा. एंड फ्रॉम द शेल देयर केम अ सॉन्ग, और उस शेल से एक गाना सुनाई दिया. सॉफ्ट एंड स्वीट एंड क्लियर. सॉफ्ट, हल्का, स्वीट, मीठा सा, क्लियर, साफ. Oh children, have you heard this sound? Sound of water on the seashore. Yes, this was the voice which the boy heard when her mother took the seashell to his ear. Now the poem again, the next para of the poem. आई चाहता हूँ कि आपको भी एक प्यारा बड़ा सा शेल मिले. आई वॉज सरप्राइज्ड, आई लिसन्ड हार्ड. मैं आश्चर्यचकित था, मैंने बहुत ध्यान से सुना. बट इट वॉज रियली ट्रू, लेकिन यह सच था. आई विश यूड फाइंड अ नाइस बिग शेल. मैं कामना करता हूँ कि आपको भी एक प्यारा बड़ा शेल मिले. एंड हियर इट सिंगिंग टू, और उसे भी आप गाता हुआ सुने. कैसे गाता हुआ? जैसे उस बॉय ने सुना. नाइस पोयम, isn't it? Now the new words of this poem. Shell, seep, held, पकड़ा, सरप्राइज्ड, आश्चर्यचकित, कर्ली, घुंघराला सा, क्लियर, साफ. It's now the question answer. First question is, where did the child find the seashell? And the answer is, the child found the seashell lying on the sand on a seashore. Second question is, what did the child do with the shell? And the answer is, the child took the seashell at home. What did the child hear? And the answer is, the child heard a soft, sweet and clear song from the shell. Now, the word building. Pick the rhyming words from this box and pair them in the spaces below. The first one has been done for you. Sound. You have to write the rhyming words in these empty spaces. It's done. Second is cold, and the rhyming word for the cold is bold. B-O-L-D. Third, took, and the rhyming word for took is look. Fourth is sand, and the rhyming word for sand is hand. Fifth is mummy, and the rhyming is tummy. Next exercise is fill in the blanks with the opposite word, choosing from the box below. The first one is done for you. Found, lost. What you have to do? You have to write the opposite words. Hard. Hard, opposite is soft. Inside, opposite outside. Took, opposite gave. Big, small. Came, went. Gaya. Pick, opposite is drop. True, opposite false. Curly, opposite straight. Cold, opposite hot. Sweet, opposite bitter. Tall, opposite small. Right? No. Opposite of tall will be short. Right? Now it's right. See, exercise is, let's write. You have to write these lines in your notebook. What these lines? The sea is big. It is very, very big. You cannot see the other side of the sea. You can cross the sea in a ship, but you must go for many, many days, because sea is so big. Exercise, choose the right word. The sea is very, very far or big? Big. You cannot see the other side. You cannot see the other side. You can or cannot cross the sea. You can cross the sea. How? In a ship. You can cross it in a bus, ship. Right. Ship. Out. She sells seashells. She sells seashells on the seashore. Once again. She sells seashells. She sells seashells on the seashore. Now practice it. This is the tongue twister for you. Birds sing. Phones ring. People talk. Dogs bark. Cows moo. Cocks crow. Bees buzz. Children hush. These are the different types of voices, sounds. Match the phrases with the picture. One is done here. A bird singing. A cow mooing. Where is the cow? Here. A phone ringing. A dog barking. A cock crowing. Right? No? I hope you enjoyed and you also learned this chapter. Now do your practice and stay healthy, stay safe, stay home. Bye bye children. Thank you. We will be meeting again.